Welcome to you all talented student in Kana Math classes, that is KMC for 12th Math under CBSE board based on the pattern NCERT. In the continuation of previous videos, here is the question number 21 in which the equation of curve is given, that is y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, and you have to find out the equation of normal which is parallel to the line, that is x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. In order to find out the dy by dx, we must differentiate the equation of curve with respect to x. Hence, this is dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 2. 3x square plus 2, this is the value of dy by dx. But the slope of normal, slope of normal with the help of this equation of line, and by comparing y equal to mx plus c, here we will have y is equal to minus 1 upon 14, y is equal to minus 1 upon 14x minus 4 by 14, and this is the slope of normal. This is the slope of normal. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon 14, but slope of normal will be equal to 1 upon minus 1 upon dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 14. Minus 1 upon 14, minus minus sign in both way will become plus, or it will be equal to dy by dx by cross multiplication. Dy by dx into 1 is equal to 14. Now substituting this value by equation number second, in equation number first we will get 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14, which implies that 3x square is equal to 14 minus 2. 3x square is equal to 14 minus 2, that is 12, or x square is equal to 12 upon 3. 12 upon 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, this is 4. Hence, x is equal to plus minus 2. X is equal to plus minus 2. Hence, in order to find out the corresponding value of x, that is plus minus 2, what will be the value of y by with the help of equation of the curve, that is y is equal to x cube, taking plus 2 sign. Y is equal to 2, this will become 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6, that is 8 plus 2 cube means 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 plus 6, this is equal to 18. This is equal to 18, and y is equal to, when x will be treated as minus 2, this will come to minus 2 q plus 2 into minus 2 plus 6. This will be equal to minus 8 minus 4 and plus 6. This will become to 8 minus 4 is equal to minus 12 plus 6 minus 6. Hence the corresponding value at which the normal is to be find out is equal to 2, 18 and minus 2 minus 6. Now due to shortage of, hence the equation of normal is equal to y1. Y minus y1 means 18. dy by ds is equal to minus 1 upon 14. x minus x1 means 2. Here y minus 18, you may just multiply this by 14. Y minus 18 multiplied by 14 is equal to minus x plus 2. Minus x plus 2. Minus x plus 2. 14y 18 14. By multiplying 18 with 14, 18 4 ja 72. Here is a 252. 18 4 ja 72 means 2 7 25, and this is equal to minus x plus 2. Now here will be equal to, by transferring the sides, x plus 14y minus 252 or minus 254 is equal to 0. This is the requisite answer of the normal. Here in question number 22, it's given the equation of curve, that is obviously it is parabola, that is y square is equal to 4ax, and you have to find out the equation of tangent and parabola both at the point this. First of all, we will find out the slope, that is dy by dx, with the help of equation or by differentiating the equation of curve with respect to x. Here y square means 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a, or dy by dx is equal to 4a upon 2y, that means 2a upon y. This is the slope of tangent and slope of normal. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2a upon y, that is minus y upon 2a. This is the slope of normal. Hence the equation of tangent of tangent is equal to y minus y1. Y minus y1 means 280. 280 is equal to dy by dx 2a upon y. Y minus y1 and here m is equal to 2a upon y. Ultimately you here find out the value of 2a and y means 280. 2a cancel, this will be equal to 1 upon t, and here also you will minus y means 280 minus 280 upon 2a cancel by 2a, this will become minus t. Hence y minus y1 is equal to slope of the tangent, that is equal to 1 upon t, that is equal to 1 upon t. You may write here 1 upon t and x minus x1, this is 80 square. Now by multiplying t both sides, it means yt minus 280 square is equal to ax t square by t means t minus 80, or by transferring one side this will become to x minus yt. X minus yt is equal to 280 square minus 80. X minus yt is minus 280 square. X minus yt minus 280 square or plus 80. Taken here this x minus yt and here is equal to minus 280 square plus 80 square will be equal to minus 80 square, or x minus yt is equal to minus 80 square. This is the equation of tangent. But what about the equation of normal? Equation of normal is equal to y minus y1, this is 2at and this is equal to slope of the normal x minus x1, that is 80 square, or by multiplying this is minus tx plus 80q minus plus 80q, and here by transferring this is minus tx xt plus y is equal to 2at plus 80q. This is the requisite equation of the normal. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.